What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on ISPO ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have a very weird chart because the price was about $10.75 for quite some time. And right here on February 17th, it spiked up for more than, let me show it to you, for more than 900% from its lowest point to its highest point. And during last session, let me show you it in a 4 hours time frame. During last session, it went up for mind-blowing 750%. So I have to say that these movements are quite extreme and you have to be extremely cautious with this price action because you cannot count on this asset as your long-term investment, especially at these high ranges. And I will show you in details in my technical analysis how you can benefit from this asset. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news and let's find out what was the reason of this spike. So first of all, right here on Seeking Alpha, we have this article that was published on February 17th and it's titled Inspirato stock rockets 650% 3 days after going public through SPAC merger. And right here you can find that shares of the travel service company were halted several times during this session and closed at $92.65 after hitting an all-time high of $108. The stock opened at $14.19. Mind-blowing volatility. Their shareholders approved the Inspirato merger on February the 8th, with shares of the combined company soaring during their market debut on February 14th. Inspirato operates a subscription luxury travel service that allows subscribers to book trips through its network of upside hotels and managed vacation homes. The company offers trips to more than 240 destinations worldwide. And let me show you their website. We are on Inspirato.com and we are on their investor section. Right here you can find their company profile, and basically they are managing the luxury homes and villas and making this on a subscription model. So it's quite interesting, I have to say, model, but I don't think that we might see this type of volatility and this type of upside movement without any reasons. And let me show you right here on Stock Tweets community, we have ISPO ticker on the 3rd place on trending section. We have this ticker on the 3rd place on most active section. And we have it on the 1st place on the watchers section. So this means more people are interested in this asset, and technically this shows the interest from retail investors that might drive the price higher. And what was the first reason, what was the initial spark that caused this massive fire? And let me show you right here. The move appears to be related to the high number of investors who opted to redeem shares during the merger process. And right here we have following information. Prior to and in connection with the special meeting, holders of 16.99 million shares out of 17.25 million shares of the Thayer's Class A common stock exercised their right to redeem those shares for cash at a price of approximately $10.2 per share, for an aggregate of approximately $173.3 million, according to the company's Form 8K filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. And it was only the first information about this technical data, and right here we have the number that about 17 million shares are in the free float for now. And let me show you that right here I found their third quarter 2021 results, And they filed a record quarterly revenue of $65 million, and it's up 52% year over year. So I have to say that 17 million shares, and with the current price of about $92 to $82. And in this case, the total market cap of this company with this price is $15.64 billion. And it is mind-blowing number, and I have to say that, in my opinion, it is extremely overvalued. And that is why, from the fundamental standpoint, if you want to invest in this asset, I highly recommend you not to do so, because these price targets will definitely be much lower in a matter of next couple of sessions, maybe couple of weeks. And if you want to invest in the ranges of above $80, I think you will lose your money, and definitely we will have some lower consolidation phase with this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, on a daily time frame and even on a 4 hours time frame, we don't have enough information to make any technical analysis. That's why let's switch to 5 minutes time frame, and let's take a look more properly on this price action. So right here we have two waves, and for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you already know that we have to have 5-wave structure in our motive wave. And if it is the case, probably we have this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth, and right here we have double top, or it's quite difficult to assume that this is the top of our 5th wave. Probably it is, and in this case we complete all 5 waves. But if it is not the case, we should have one more leg to the upside. But in my opinion, with this huge movement to the upside for more than 600%, next leg to the upside won't be massive. And technically I have to say that most likely this is the 5th wave. And if it is the top, we have a double top pattern, and from this range most likely we will see lower price action from the current range. And let me show you indicators. On a 5 minutes time frame, RSI is pretty much neutral, and MACD indicator also is quite neutral, but it is sticking to the downside with the latest candles. And let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. At these peaks we have bearish divergence, and we have consistently lower highs on RSI. Let me mark it for you. Lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And right here we have even one more leg at the extended hours on February 17th, and we have consistently higher highs. And this is extremely powerful pattern, and usually it shows that in upcoming sessions this asset might go lower. So let's switch to 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, the same bearish pattern, higher highs on the price action with the lower highs on the RSI. Next one, hourly time frame. And right here we also have this pattern. All in all, RSI is extremely high. It is on overbought territory, and technically we might have one more small leg to the upside with the attempt to break the previous all-time high for this asset, but it is less likely than to have a next leg to the downside, and that's why you have to be cautious. So guys, what should you do if you want to enter the position with this asset? In my opinion, in upcoming session we won't see much higher targets, if we will have any, and this means my main assumption that we might go much lower from the current ranges. And if you want to enter your long position with this asset, I highly recommend you not to do so, because all of the indicators and all of the price actions shows me that we might see much lower price targets that we have for now, and that's why you have to stay aside from any trades, especially from investment in this asset at the current prices. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!